iPhone SE.
The SE?
Yeah.
So what we got here, we're in the middle of a race, and we have a quad stuck in the tree.
We've been here for about 30, 45 minutes.
It's my boy Jake,
What's up?
getting it in.
You know, it'd be funny if you like threw it over and like didn't hold the other rope and went.
That's my boy Jesus.
How many tries did it take to take?
This is part of FPV
To get a quad out of the tree?
America. Let's see if we can zoom in on it. Can y'all see it? Hey.
I'm over here and y'all are all over there.
We've been here about
Where?
30 minutes
Over
now,
there.
but we're not leaving until it's down.
People were like,
That's how we do.
Y'all be pointing over here.
My hands are very, very shaky.
he gave me the direction.
It's like an obtuse. It's in that
I think
direction.
it's pinning. The rope is around the quad though. It's pinning
like
it
our
in
antennas,
in there.
Yeah. It's not my antennas, I don't know.
It's in there good.
Matt tried like 5 times to get it to land in that spot, and he finally got it.
Yeah. Wow, what are those things?
The dragon.
Oh, look, that thing's called a helicopter. Well, my thing is